Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by aligning formats so all screens feel cohesive. Select a single aspect ratio and frame rate. This prevents jitter and syncing issues later. Once done, trim each clip to the essential action and name files sequentially so you can import quickly. Make a project sequence with guides for screen edges and safe zones because precise placement now saves time during layout. Then import your labeled clips and place them roughly where you expect each screen to sit. Now you build the visual structure and timing. Apply a grid overlay and snap each clip into its slot so spacing remains consistent. This creates visual rhythm. Scale uniformly to keep perspective natural and add position keyframes only when you want motion. This keeps animation smooth. For timing, align waveforms or use a sync marker so actions match across screens. Make sure primary audio is clear and mute or duck secondary tracks unless intentional. Finish by unifying the look. Add thin borders or subtle drop shadows so each screen reads clearly and apply a single color grade to harmonize footage. Once polished, export with H.264 or H.265 using a stable bitrate for your resolution. This balances quality and file size. If you encounter dropped frames or stuttering, switch to proxy files, enable GPU acceleration, or lower playback resolution while editing. And if audio drifts, relink to original files and resync using your markers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.